Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a picture in Google Gemini. So let's start it. At first open your desktop. Now you can see now going to the Chrome browser. Now you can see now select from search bar option. Now click. Now search from Gemini. Now keyboard press enter. Now you can see then we show new interface and select from Gemini, Google Gemini. Now click. Now you can see then we show the new interface. Now log in the now already in the login Google Gemini. Now select from search bar option. Now type from prompt in the picture. I can see and I am type from create picture about two VIP car and keyboard press from down double quotation mark. Now keyboard press for enter. Now wait for some moment. The creating for your image. That it's wow. I can see create Gemini in the two car. It's already that is now click on download this picture. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.